Can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Hachiyo Mizutani.
Okay, what do you do?
My job is Congress coordinator.
Okay, good. And can you tell me your hobbies? Hobbies, yes.
My hobbies, listening music and songs. 最近だから、レッスンに行く出てこないけど、ゴスペルを習ってるですから、なんだ、出てこない本当に。
That's good. So you take gospel choir lesson.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes.
Very good. And where do you live? Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Yes.
I live in Maebashi in Gunma.
Good. So how long did it take from Maebashi to coming to Tokyo this morning?
About about 2 hours.
About 2 hours. Good. Okay. So why do you study English?
I hope to. My job テイクじゃなくて、使うテイクイングリッシュ。But I didn't can English. できれば、I hope to speak English.
Very, very good.